Patch things up, understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, patch things up. This phrase is not only common but also paints a vivid picture in conversation. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. The phrase, patch things up, is an idiom in English. To patch literally means to repair something, usually in a quick or temporary way. When we use this phrase figuratively, it means to repair or resolve a disagreement or relationship issue. It's about fixing problems, mending relationships, or resolving disputes. This phrase is often used in personal relationships, but can also apply to professional or casual interactions. Understanding how to use patch things up in a sentence is crucial. Here are some examples. 1. After their argument, they managed to patch things up and are friends again. 2. I hope to patch things up with my coworker after our disagreement. 3. The company tried to patch things up with customers after the service outage. Notice how the phrase is often used with the word hope, reflecting a desire to mend a situation. Like many idioms, patch things up can be varied slightly while retaining its meaning. For instance, patch up differences, focusing on resolving specific disagreements. Patch up a relationship, concentrating on repairing a personal connection. It's important to understand the cultural context of this phrase. In English-speaking cultures, patching things up is generally seen as a positive action, implying effort and willingness to improve a situation or relationship. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, patch things up, in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the emotions and situations they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.